Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat and engine, 2.4 Li 40 MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.